Hi, welcome back. I'm Claudia, and today we're going to be assembling an arch shaker. This style of cake topper has been really popular lately. I've seen a lot of crafters get really creative and incorporate these shapes into their toppers, and I also tried it out for myself and created a baby shower cake topper, which I'll show at the end. So let's jump right into it. What I'm doing here is assembling the top part of our cake topper. I'm working on the full arch right now. I'm layering them together, and I did go ahead and choose very neutral colors. If you have been following me for a while, you know that I love my neutral colors. I love boho style cake toppers, and that's the style that I chose for this baby shower cake topper, which again I'll show you at the end. Now I'm gluing the half arch, and I'm using my Barely Art glue with my Cricut tweezers and also pressing down on those layers, making sure they're on there very well, and then moving on to the height builder. This is the layer that is going to give us height so that our confetti can move around. Per usual, I'm using my double-sided foam tape that you can find on Amazon. If you'd like to put together your own arch shaker, I do have this file available for download on my Etsy along with other shapes. If you'd like to check that out, I will provide the link to my Etsy in the description. Now that I laid down my tape, I'm going to peel off the backing and put that right over the background of my topper. I did emboss my background. I love those vines. I think it looks so pretty with that vanilla color cardstock. And now I'm putting on the double-sided tape on the half arch. This is the height builder again. I am doing it to both sides so we have a good amount of height and our confetti can move around. Now for the fun part, let's go ahead and add confetti. I went ahead and used some sequins from Dollar Tree. I used diamond dots from Joanns and my favorite confetti tube from also Dollar Tree, and just adding little by little, moving it around, making sure that I like the mixture, not really taking it too serious, just little by little and taking my time. At this point, I do want to mention that I was watching This Is Us while I was putting this shaker together and not really paying attention. I was going to take this out of the video, but I thought it was a good example of me messing up. I do mess up at times with my shakers, with all my cake toppers. I do have accidents, or sometimes I need to redo them, but I wanted to add this clip to the video because it's okay if it doesn't align. If the acetate doesn't align, it's okay. Just press it down. Instead of throwing away your shaker, just press it down and clip away the excess acetate, as I'm doing here, just clipping it away with my scissors, making sure that I get as close as I can to the cake topper and, you know, make it look nice. And that's it. Nothing serious. It's okay, because we're going to add a top layer to that, the border, and it's going to disguise any clippings or any, you know, anything that might have gone wrong. going to be adding the acetate to our full arch and laying that right over, pressing it down, making sure that the double-sided foam tape is nicely pressed onto the acetate so we don't have any opened areas where the confetti can sneak out and fall onto your cake. We definitely don't want any confetti on our cake. Now we're gonna add the top frame to our shaker and we're done with our arch. This was so easy and so much fun to put together. I absolutely love this style and I can't wait to see what you create with it. You can really get creative with this. Duplicate the full arch, duplicate the half arch, stack it however you'd like, resize it. Let your imagination take you wherever you want to go and do with this file. You can add any theme to it and really just make it your own. As promised, here is my baby shower oh baby cake topper that I created. This is just an example of what you can create with your arch shakers. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, like, and comment in the video, and I'll see you in the next one.